want to. I just hope you know I want you. And all the time I put in it, girl, your DM is my witness.
Guys, today we are going to jump straight into it. We are starting off with freshly washed hair, and then I am going in with my Aunt Jackie's In Control Anti-Poof Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this conditioner is bomb.com. Look how it clumps my curls. It has a lot of slip, and it's great for finger detangling. Okay, so this is how my hair looks after it is fully detangled. It looks nice and moisturized, and my curls are popping. So here I am parting my hair from ear to ear across the top of my head so we can begin with this curly hairstyle. It's super cute for the summer. So once you have your two pieces in the front, you want to go ahead and section off each side. I'm going to do 6 twists, that's 3 on each side, and I'm just going ahead and parting my hair diagonally because I thought this would be a cute summer look, and I just wanted to make it a little bit playful with the diagonal parts. And here I am flat twisting my hair, and this was super easy because my hair was soft and detangled from using this In Control Moisturizing Conditioner. And then once I get to the end of the flat twist, I am 3-strand twisting my hair about halfway to 3/4 of the way down, and then you will see me finger coil the ends. Now you want to go ahead and do this across the entire front perimeter of your head, and you want to make sure you continue to 3-strand twist once you get to the end of your flat twist. Once you're done twisting the front of your hair, you want to make sure your baby hairs are laid, and then you want to towel dry some of that excess product in your hair. And then here I'm just styling my hair as desired. So this is one of my favorite looks, styling these twists, and then you can pull it back. And just keep on watching for all the fun, cute hairstyles that I show you, and you can rock, you know, over this summer. It's super good for when you're traveling because you can just transform this one basic hairstyle into multiple hairstyles throughout the week. By the end of the week, once your hair starts to frizz, you can always throw on a super cute hat to make this look wearable. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is my favorite hairstyle. It looks super cute while it's wet, and I'm sure once it dries, we're going to have all that volume and we're just going to be looking amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like this hairstyle in the comment section below. You can definitely add your own like accessories, so you could do the hair jewels in your hair, the little cuffs and everything like that to spice up your summer travel look. And never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tiffle. Bye guys.